we want to plot the graph of y equals 2x plus 1. Y equals 2x plus 1 is the equation of a straight line. You may not understand exactly why it is at the moment, but this section is all about straight lines. So by the end of the section, you should really understand the equation of a straight line. To plot the line, we create a table of values. We need x values and y values. Strictly speaking, for a straight line, we only need 2 points, but I always suggest taking 3. Just choose some convenient values of x. Say x is 0, 1, and 2. We need to substitute these values into this equation. If x is 0, y is equal to 2 times 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 gives us 1. Now x is equal to 1. Y is equal to 2 times 1 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now x is equal to 2. 2 times 2 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we have 0, 1, 1, 3, and 2, 5. Now all we need to do is draw a straight line through the plotted points and label the line we've just drawn.